In this tutorial, we will walk you through the settings of the AI Comment Moderator plugin. If you have followed our previous tutorials, you should have the plugin installed and activated with a valid license and connected to the OpenAI. Please refer to our documentation at www.techspokes.store and complete the required steps. Once you're in the WordPress admin, navigate to the plugin settings page by clicking Moderation Settings under the Comments. The plugin settings are presented in groups to simplify the configuration. In this tutorial, we will cover the option groups one by one. The plugin license settings. The settings in this group allow you to control the plugin license. For more detailed instructions on managing your license, please refer to our previous tutorials. The OpenAI integration settings. These settings enable the AI Comment Moderator plugin to connect to the OpenAI. For guidance on connecting your plugin to OpenAI, please check our previous tutorials. The moderation settings. This section allows you to pause and resume the plugin's activities as needed without having to deactivate the plugin entirely. You can also prevent low-score comments posted by previously approved commenters from ending up in the spam folder. Here are the options in the moderation settings group. The Enable Comment Moderation option. This option allows you to toggle the plugin's comment scoring system on or off. Check this box to enable the comment scoring, or leave it unchecked if you want to pause the plugin for some reason. It's recommended to keep this enabled unless specific circumstances require a temporary halt. The Approved Commenters option. This setting is particularly important for managing comments from users who have previously been approved. By checking this box, the AI Comment Moderator will bypass the usual automation rules for comments from approved commenters. Instead of directing their low-score comments to the spam folder, these comments will be placed in the moderation queue. Enabling this setting is recommended to ensure that comments from active users are treated with due consideration. The Automated Rules Settings group. This section is designed to help you configure automatic rules based on comment scores to speed up the moderation process on your website. There are several subgroups in automated rule settings. The Discard Rule Settings. These settings allow for efficient spam management by automatically rejecting comments with extremely low scores. The Enable Automatic Rejection option. This option activates the automatic rejection of low-score comments. This setting is particularly useful if your site encounters a high volume of spam. Enabling this setting will prevent comments with extremely low scores from being processed further, effectively reducing the moderation workload. On fresh installations, in the beginning, it is recommended to leave this option unchecked and monitor the plugin behavior with low-score comments using the trash rule below. Once you are happy with the results, you may enable this rule to completely ignore the low-score comments. The Maximum Reject Score option. Specify the cutoff score for automatic rejection. Enter the maximum score that a comment can have before it is automatically discarded by the AI Comment Moderator. The recommended value is 0, but you can set it to 1 if needed. The Trash Rule Settings. This rule helps efficiently manage undesirable comments by automatically deleting those with low scores, placing them in the trash bin. The Enable Automatic Deletion option. This option is recommended as it automatically deletes comments scoring below a certain threshold. Such comments are moved to the trash bin, providing an opportunity for review before permanent deletion. The Maximum Delete Score option. Set the threshold score that triggers the automatic deletion of comments. Input the high score a comment can receive before it is moved to the trash. Starting with a recommended value of 1, adjust this setting based on your specific moderation needs. The Spam Rule Settings. These settings are crucial for managing unwanted comments by automatically labeling those that score below a specified threshold as spam. Such comments are moved directly to the spam folder, helping maintain the quality of discussions on your site. The Enable Spam Filter option. This option is recommended and allows for the automatic flagging of low-score comments as spam. The Maximum Spam Score option. Set the threshold that determines when a comment is flagged as spam. Enter the maximum score a comment can have before it triggers an automated spam flag by the plugin. The recommended starting value is 3, but you may adjust it according to the specific needs of your moderation strategy. The Return Commenter's Approval Rule Settings. These settings are designed to streamline visitors' engagement by automatically approving comments from users who have a history of previously approved comments. It recognizes and rewards your reliable contributors, facilitating a smoother and more positive interaction on your site. The Enable Return Commenters option. This recommended option enables automatic approval of comments from users with previously approved comments. If enabled, the AI Comment Moderator will automatically approve comments that meet or exceed a specified score and come from authors with a certain number of previously approved comments. The Minimum Required Score option. Enter the minimum score a comment must achieve to be automatically approved by the plugin for users with a history of approved comments. The recommended value is 7, allowing you to ensure that only high-quality comments are automatically approved. The Approved Comments Count option. Define the number of previously approved comments required for this rule. Setting this number to 5 helps to ensure that only consistently positive contributors benefit from this rule. The General Approval Rule Settings. These settings empower you to foster rapid user engagement on your website by automatically approving high-scoring comments. They ensure that only high-quality comments are displayed immediately, reducing the burden of manual moderation and maintaining the integrity of your site's discussions. The Enable Automatic Approval option. This checkbox, though optional, is highly beneficial. Enabling this setting facilitates quicker user engagement by displaying high-quality comments without delay. The Minimum Approval Score option. Enter the minimum score required for a comment to be automatically approved. Setting the score at 9 ensures that only the most relevant and well-articulated comments are approved automatically. The Miscellaneous Settings group. The Linked Domains Filter Settings. Enhance your site's defense mechanisms with the AI Comment Moderator's Linked Domains Filter, a feature that sets it apart from other AI-based moderation tools. This innovative feature detects domains previously flagged in spam or trashed comments, activating Fortress mode during massive spam bot attacks. In Fortress mode, the system can take immediate, local actions without relying on OpenAI scoring, significantly reducing your operational costs and providing robust protection against aggressive spam posting. The Enable Domain Filter option. This option is recommended for a proactive defense strategy. When enabled, the plugin will scan comments for flagged domains and automatically initiate the predefined action for comments containing these domains. The Minimum Flagged Comments option. Specify the minimum number of existing spam or trashed comments that contain links to a domain before the system takes action. This setting allows you to target only the domains with a consistent history of being linked to undesirable content. The Action option. Select the action to take when a new comment contains links to previously flagged domains. Marking the comment as spam is recommended. The Advanced Settings group. This section allows you to fine-tune the AI's evaluation criteria and operational parameters, enhancing the precision and effectiveness of comment moderation on your site. The OpenAI Comment Score Settings. While these settings are accessible, it is recommended that you leave the default configuration, unless the moderation plugin needs some advanced adjustments. The Model Instructions option. Define the AI's approach to assessing and scoring comments, ensuring that each comment is evaluated from 0 to 9. This detailed scoring system is crucial for aligning AI moderation with your community standards. Emphasize the importance of considering the commenter's history, content relevance, and interaction quality. Deduct points for rudeness, spam, inappropriate language, self-promotion, dubious links, or other undesirable behaviors. The Request Template option. This setting allows you to configure the request template and include essential data like website name, article details, and commenter's information. The Temperature Parameter option. Set at 0.15 to ensure a low level of randomness in the AI's evaluations, leading to more consistent and predictable scoring. The Top P Parameter option. Adjust to 0.15 to force the AI model to consider only the top 15% of all probable scores for each comment. This setting controls the AI focus, reducing variability and enhancing the relevance of its scoring decisions. Once you have configured the settings according to your preferences, don't forget to click the Save Changes button. This step is essential to ensure that all your adjustments are applied and preserved within the AI Comment Moderator plugin. Failing to save changes may result in losing your configurations, requiring you to repeat the setup process. Always double-check your settings before saving to ensure that the AI functions correctly and aligns with your site's moderation standards. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you need further assistance or have any questions regarding the plugin settings, feel free to contact TechSpokes. The support form is available on our website at www.techspokes.store. Our support team is dedicated to helping you ensure that your moderation system is optimized and functions smoothly. Don't hesitate to reach out for personalized guidance and troubleshooting.